Hello there everyone, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. On the menu today we have this easy quick vegetable stir fry. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. The ingredients needed are cornstarch, beef, coconut milk, salt, stock cube and curry, spring onions, coconut oil, carrots, green pepper, and onion. And as usual, do not forget that all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Before we kick start, I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how I cut my vegetables in order to get this shape. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to cut your beef so it remains tender even after you cooked it. When it comes to cutting your beef, it is important to know what the grains are, and they are actually just the way the muscle fiber runs through your meat. Basically the lines you see in the meat, and you have to always try to cut across it and not with it. And what this does is that it keeps your meat soft and tender, making it easy to bite through. So after cutting the meat, we're going to wash it with some warm water to get rid of germs, and then we're going to season it with the stock cube, curry, and salt. Now when it comes to the spices, feel free and go crazy. Use any spices of your preference. And we're going to leave it on the side and continue. Oh, I forgot to mention habanero pepper earlier on among the ingredients. So what I did with it was to just chop it, and we're going to use it later on. So done with all the cutting and washing and everything, we're going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in our pan. And when it's warm, you're going to start frying our meat. And we're going to fry this on a medium to low heat until the liquid that the meat normally releases is completely evaporated. What you see here now is what I meant by the liquid released from the meat. So now we are going to continue frying until this liquid is completely absorbed. So now it is, as you can see, we are going to take the meat out, and in the same pan we're going to add another tablespoon of coconut oil, followed by our onions and our scallions. And we're going to let this fry for about 2 minutes before adding the rest of the vegetables. I am then going to season my vegetables with the other half of the stock cube plus curry. I used one half to season the meat before frying it, and I'm using the other half to season the vegetables. And then I'm going to stir and add my meat because I want the vegetables to remain crunchy. I don't want them to be overcooked and become mushy. So that's the reason why I'm adding the meat almost immediately after adding the vegetables. At this point, we realize that our stir fry is too dry because there is no juice under it. And this is when we are going to add our cornstarch, which is going to add some thickness, but the cornstarch alone is not going to do the job. So we are going to need some liquid, and my liquid of choice was coconut milk. Now, if you do not have coconut milk or cornstarch, you can just mix some flour in some warm milk and then add it to your stir fry. So now let's check the level of salt and pepper, and if everything is okay, all we have to do now is to cover and let the heat simmer all the ingredients for about 10 minutes, after which our sauce will be ready. This is how I normally like my vegetable sauce. I don't like it to be too liquidy, but if you want it to be more moist, all you have to do is to add much more milk and a tiny bit more of flour, and you're good to go. So after the 10 minutes of cooking, our vegetable stir fry is ready, and I'm going to serve this with some hot rice. But this will be perfect with some yam. This will be perfect with some sweet potatoes. Try whatever pleases your palate and let me know in the comment section below. So as usual, if you loved what you saw or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, it's bye bye for now.